What's going on, Mixonite? I am Nathan Mixon with MixonFitness.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do a T push-up, because a T push-up is not going to only increase your endurance strength, but it's also going to work on your cardio too, because we're going to rep this out with 16 reps, 4 sets. It's guaranteed to be it's going to push you. Okay, subscribe to the channel, turn on the push notifications so you don't miss the beat, and also smash the like button. Okay, so from here, T push-ups are always going to start in the planking position, so you want to have a nice good posture. So I'm going to bring yourself down to the ground. You're going to bring your shoulders right over your wrist, okay? Feet about 6 to 12 inches apart. From here, you're going to just do a standard push-ups. Bring your elbow as close to the body as possible and coming down as low as possible. You don't have to hit the ground, okay? From here, you're going to bring one hand, okay, up into the sky. Keep your eyes on the hand. You're going to go into a nice little side plank, engaging the core the whole entire time. All right, look how I have my feet balanced right there, okay? That's keeping myself balanced. You can bring yourself up here, but you gotta be very careful. So for the sake of this video, you're gonna keep our feet like that for better stabilization, all right? Coming down to the ground, you're gonna get back into that same posture with the shoulders over your wrist. You're gonna push up again, and this time we're gonna go to the opposite end, all right? Bringing the other end to the sky, looking at it the whole entire time. You're gonna keep on doing this for a total of 16 repetitions. So you're just gonna count the 16 push-ups, okay? And you should be done by then. And from there, take a nice little 30-second break and go at it again, okay? This is going to build up a lot of endurance. So if you really wanna get your chest strong, okay, get your body beach ready, this is definitely a good workout for you. It's gonna engage the core too, so it's gonna be an ab workout. So subscribe to the channel, turn on your push notifications. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the like button and also share it on Facebook, Instagram, all that jazz. And if you want to catch me on Instagram doing some other extra workouts, follow me at nathan.mixon. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.